In this video, I'll show you how to create detailed views on your drawing sheet. So what happens sometimes, this part, for example, has a lot of detail. There's a lot of information you're trying to show, and you want to, for example, this keyway is pretty important, but there's not a really great place to dimension this. So we can add a detailed view if you go to View Layout, Detailed View. And what you want to do is choose the center of the area where you want to draw a circle, and that circle will encompass the parts that you want to show. So let's, for example, I want to show the keyway, and I also want to make sure I have the center of the part. So I'm clicking there and pull this out, and that's going to be your detail view. Don't go too big because it takes up a lot of space and you lose really the whole idea of what you're trying to do. So maybe something like that. And check the label. I have a section A, so this should be labeled B. There we go. And find a space on the drawing sheet that's not going to clutter it up too bad. This looks like a really good spot here. And that'll create your view. And I went ahead and scaled it up 2:1 scale. And now you can dimension. So I can call it the width of my keyway. And I can call it the height. Dimension it back to the center. So nice, simple, very clear. Now one thing you might have is see how this is kind of hard to read. You can rotate this around, make it a little bit easier to see the label. And let's add another one. So similar situation here. There's a lot of dimensions related to this cross section of this pulley. Let's just add another detail view. And again, click kind of in the center of the area you're trying to highlight. So maybe that. This one is going to be, since I have a section A and I have detail B, this is going to be detail C, and this is a good place to put it. And let's say, for example, I needed to call it this angle. I got a perfect place, it's not cluttered up, and it doesn't interfere with any other dimensions. So that's how you create detail views.